Welcome to today's cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making Chinese radish pickles. These pickles are perfect for adding some tangy flavor to your snacks or as a garnish for your dishes. The key to great pickles is the vinegar, and the Chinese radish is a perfect base for this tangy flavor profile. To make these pickles, you'll need the following ingredients: cup of rice or vegetable vinegar, cup of water, cup of monk fruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get started. First, we'll prepare the radish. Peel the Daikon radish and slice it into thin slices. Make sure to keep the slices thin so that they can be pickled easily. Once prepared, set aside. Marinate the radish slices with 1 tablespoon of sugar and wait 1 hour for it. After 1 hour, squeeze the excess water out off the radish slices. Now, it's time to prepare the pickles. In a glass jar, add the Daikon slices. Combine the rice or vegetable vinegar, monk fruit sweetener, and minced garlic. Finally, cover the jar with a lid and allow it to sit in a cool, dark place for at least a week. Once the pickles have fermented, it's time to prepare them for consumption. Carefully remove the top of the jar and let the pickles sit for a few minutes to drain any excess liquid. Then, serve the pickles as desired. These Chinese radish pickles are a fantastic addition to your snack repertoire or as a garnish for your dishes. They also make a great addition to a picnic or potluck. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you like to learn more about home recipes and food reviews, please hit the like button and subscribe. Connect with me on social media through scanning my QR code as well. See you in the next video.